Welcome back, my people. Out here, Saturday. It's about 12:30, bro. About to head out to Waterbury. 30-minute drive. Can't remember the name of the spot right now. Shorty picked it out. It's her birthday tomorrow, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take you out for breakfast today since I gotta go to work tomorrow right quick and shit like that. Do a couple of things, you know, the Sunday errands type shit. So, breakfast, or should I say brunch, whatever the fuck that shit is called. We're about to go out there, Waterbury, Connecticut, half-hour ride. It's something grilled. I don't know what the hell it is, but we'll holler at you when we get there. Hopefully my motherfucking microphone works. Jump cut. Welcome back, my people. Keep it out. Freight Street Grill. Yeah, we missed the breakfast special, but we about to eat all the way in Waterbury, Connecticut, bro. It took like, what, half hour, 35 minutes to get up in here. So, say happy birthday to the wife, though. Say happy birthday, Drew. Say happy birthday, mama. Yeah, we never been in here. Something new. Waterbury, Connecticut. Make sure you hit that like button, all that good shit. Jump cut.
My egg is...
All right, let's come and sit. Come sit. You sit right here. Would this be good? Would this be good? You sit right here, my people. I already know what I want. I run a breakfast sandwich, folks. Breakfast sandwich, breakfast sandwich. Jump cut.
You got more than me. Go look it. Getting more than me.
That's just true. No, Papi, I'm looking at this, my people. A little breakfast sandwich up in the crib. And I want, let me get some pancakes too.
Me too. What is that?
You want pancakes? Oh, we got you. Ooh, French toast. Alright, we're gonna go with the French toast. You go with the French toast. Thank you so much.
How about you?
That's looking for you. What you say?
Look at this one right there.
What? Is it cookie car?
Look at that right there.
What the heck?
Chew. Thank you so much.
Yes.
So people, I got me a breakfast sandwich. I think either bacon.
Let me be this in them.
Bacon, egg, and cheese. With French toast. The juice. OJ.
I don't know this. And that may be I.
The juice alone.
Mama does. Remember,
$6.5.
that card.
Because after having the juice from the other place over there in Farmington Avenue.
It's really cute too.
Yeah, we're gonna wait for the food, bro, and do this quick food review. Jump cut. Look at this French toast, bro. Got my little, yes sir. Simple, love it, love it. Look, that's my son's little pancake, Mickey Mouse in the house, little scrambled egg. And look at the white. Damn, look at them sausage. Let me get a bite. Yo. Yes, sir. We got 2 eggs. Right, Pete, you got 2 eggs. One at the bottom, you got the bacon and the cheese, and another egg. Bruh.
How much do you have?
Okay, well, eat the egg first. Eat the egg first and then put the tail on your pancake.
Is mine not hot? Okay.
Let me get right for this, yo. Yo. Yes. Yes.
Another first foot will do right.
Mm. Where's the sauce? This one? I mean the syrup.
Hey. Look at
Okay. Yeah, I'll beat this, yo.
Daddy.
Mm.
Daddy.
Hmm?
Go right here.
Hold on, puppy.
Put me one of kids up. I mean,
There you go. You can drop that right there.
Good.
Mm.
For you.
Oh, this tooth is killing me.
Turn it up.
Oh my goodness, yes, I would have. Yo, the bread, it is perfectly.
This.
Yep. Mom, wait a minute. No, I mean, eat that.
Yo, the bread,
Yeah.
nice and like toasted. Oh, it's not like,
It's just so soft. But it's
yeah. It's not like thick or anything like that. It's just right.
Energy.
Mommy, I'm going to be like that too. Mommy here, mommy. Mommy here. No, I
No,
don't
but
want
I
honey.
know, but Erica fit behind me.
No,
Look.
right here. Look
Here.
Look behind me.
This is the way the French toast is supposed to be cut.
Yeah.
Right, it's not.
And then I cut more pieces, okay?
It's not supposed to be mushy in the middle type there, you know? Hey, Jew, you liked the eggs? What you gave it? A thumbs up? That boy gave it a thumbs up. How about your thing, baby?
Biscuit.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy.
Honestly, I don't know these kind of sauces.
Mm-hmm.
So, I mean, it has good flavor. I don't know, that's not my name. The home fries? Okay. It's not like
Thank you.
that other place we had. It was like,
I like you, Mommy. I like you.
this is just
I like you.
regular home fries.
Okay. Wonder what space.
I don't remember, but the home fries was like, I'm red, and now you can't hear you. So you in his ear.
So sorry. Sorry. Rebecca sandwich for me. 8.5.
So what's your number?
0879.
It's an 879. Must I give it an 879?
What time is
This
that?
is gravy.
Mm-hmm.
What is time is that?
I give that like an 8-2.
The white bacon and gravy 8.2.
Home fries, I get a 5-1.
Home fries are 5.
Sausage, 3-9. It does have flavor, but
Mom, you can.
The sausages are gonna be a no-go for me neither, dog.
you hate it.
Daddy, call for me.
Taste the French toast, baby.
Give a pancake a thumbs up or thumbs down.
Hold on. To get the pancake, Jew. Got thumbs up for the pancakes on the big one.
Wait. It looks fluffy.
Imagine in a couple of years he's gonna be telling you how the pancake is and everything else. Why he hated that score. Yeah, man, 8-4 on the thing, yo. The French toast. 8-1. This was just cooked all the way. Like the other place, when I zoomed in, I was able to go like this, and the batter was still Yeah. Yeah. You can't. Unless if you burn them or something, you can't really ever add. Especially with the running yolk. Oh man, that's the best. Oh, see this.
Lemon! Lemon!
Okay.
You're the freight grill.
Why?
Waterbury, Connecticut. Come pick them up. Oh no. I'm never gonna rate the
Why do you tacky that bell?
the sausage.
That's what it's now.
I would have been finished with this if it wasn't for this true freight. Pretty dope spot, man. I like it. New joint straight away out here. Yeah, I think orange juice is one of the best things ever for breakfast. That's just me. No, that's the review. All the way out here, Waterbury, Connecticut. Right grill.
Hi. Hi.
For someone say hi. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, all that good shit. Let them know, dude. Jump cut. Until next time, stay tuned and carry on, everybody.